Rwanda, hello.
Listen to this. Rwanda is a beautiful country.
Now, I ain't gonna lie, chat. Rwanda, bro, on my life, I kid you not, is one of the most beautiful countries I have ever been, bro. What the fuck? Hey, sit down. Bro, I kid you not, has to be one of the most beautiful countries I have ever been to, bro. Seriously. Like, it's just, you can show that for an example, like the mountain. Anyways, I went 2 hours away from the city, and I went like in the jungle. It's just beautiful, bro. The nature is so beautiful. I kid you not, bro. I took pictures, bro. It was just insane. Rwanda is so beautiful, bro. I'm gonna come here one day for like 1 week, just for a vacation. I love you too, bro.